Hello lovelies, good day and welcome back to Ijebu's Girls Kitchen. How are you all doing? I believe you are beautiful, handsome and fine. Glory be to God for this. So in this video, I want to quickly show you how I boiled my yam and I made this sausage sauce. So what I will do now is that I will add my seasoning with my already frying sauce with my sausages on my stove. I will now go in with my spring onions. I'll add my salt and I'll give this sauce a very good stir for all the whole ingredients to combine very well together. So you are the chief chef in your kitchen, so feel free to use whatever vegetable of your choice. Okay, yes, all right. So this is my own preference. So and the sauce came out so tasty, yummy and flavorful. You can see my sauce frying very well with my sausages on my stove. This sauce came out so beautiful, so yummy. I loved it. So my yam is boiled and my sauce is fried. So what I will do now is that I will dish my yam and my sauce on my plate because I'm famished right now. So I'll pour in my sauce with my sausages. Can you see my food sitting pretty, looking good on my table? So thank you my lovely for watching my video and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.